This is how you refine shots in Vimeo Studio. So usually when you generate an image, it's often not really perfect. But here in Vimeo Studio we have a lot of options which make the process really fast. So let's get into it. So here I want to make a video about my dog. So I need to import a picture of my dog and use it as a base. I have already done that and made a character which is named dog1. So let's go import it. So here I can select cast, add character, and scroll down to my dog, and here we go, dog1, and we will put him, we go to prompts and put dog1 here, and also here. Okay, now we go to visuals, okay, let's say I want a shot with a woman picking up the dog. Okay, so we generated this shot with my dog and a random woman, so we can click approve and okay, we click video. Now the next option that we're going to be looking at is the import option. So let's see. So this is not my dog, I need my dog. So I got a picture here in my downloads. Okay, so here he's with a ball. So right now we imported this picture, but it's not really right. So the next option that we're going to be looking at is edit option. So I want the background to be flowers in the background. Okay. And so this option allows you to use different AI models to change parts of the image that you don't like. So you can add stuff or remove stuff or refine stuff. You have the freedom. Okay, so we added flowers. So the next option that we're going to be looking at is the camera option. The picture is a bit zoomed in, so I want to zoom it out a bit. We've got the distance, wide and close up, horizontal left side and right side, and vertical from below to top down. Okay, so right now I'm going to be using the distance option, so we're going to set it to wider and generate. Okay, it generated the shot, so here it's a lot wider, I like it better. And we also need to change up some things. So the ball is not really fitting in, it's really yellow, and I want it to stand out a bit. So for example, for it to be red. And normally I would use the edit option and have to spend more credit than I want, and maybe it doesn't even look good. But now we have this option, color. So we're going to set it. We will write what item do we want to change. So I will say the ball. Now we can use hex colors or we can use text. Let's say red. Change the color of the ball to red and we click generate. Okay, it's done. So right now the picture is good. We're going to click approve and video, and we'll wait until it's all over. Okay, it's done. So now we can go to export. And these tools can be used individually or you can use them together. And that's how you refine shots in Vimeo Studio. So check out our app online. You can try it for free and you get $5 credit.